Dear students, the topic is global environmental issues. In this class, we can discuss about two issues, greenhouse effect and ozone depletion. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notifications, like, share among your friends and comment. Dear students, after a short break, again we can start the class. Today we can discuss about global environmental issues. In this class, we can discuss about two phenomena. One is greenhouse effect and the other is ozone depletion. You know, the environment plays a significant role to support life on Earth, but there are some issues that are causing damages to life and ecosystem of the Earth. It is related to not only environment but with everyone that lives in this planet. Besides, its main source is pollution, global warming, greenhouse gas and many others. The everyday activities of human, that means anthropogenic activities, are constantly degrading the quality of environment, which ultimately result in the loss of survival condition from the earth. We heard about greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases? The gases which are responsible for the increase in the temperature of the earth's surface. These gases directly relate to air pollution because of the pollution produced by the vehicle and factories, which contains a toxic chemical that harms the life and environment on earth. Have a look on detail about greenhouse effect. In a greenhouse, higher temperature inside as compared to the outside by allowing the solar radiation to enter it, but preventing the escape of heat radiations from it. The gases and vapors present in the atmosphere allow the shorter waves, about 0.2 to 2.6 μm of solar radiation to pass through, but prevent the escape of long wave heat radiation. Moreover, greenhouse gases absorb infrared radiation and prevent it from escaping to space. Greenhouse gases are useful in keeping the earth warm with an average temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. In their absence, the surface temperature of earth will be as low as minus 18 degrees Celsius. This temperature will freeze all water and kill most of life. See in this diagram, from the solar radiation, 20% scattered and reflected by cloud, 6% scattered from atmosphere, 19% absorbed by atmosphere and clouds, 51% absorbed by earth, 4% reflected by surface. Here we can see some of the greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide about 57%. Source is fossil fuel burning, deforestation. Anthropogenic increase by 30%. Average atmospheric residence time is 500 years. Methane 12%. Source of methane is rice cultivation, cattle and sheep ranching, decay from landfills, mining, etc. Anthropogenic increase by 145%. Average atmospheric residence time is 7 to 10 years. Nitrous oxide 6%. Source is industry and agriculture. Anthropogenic increase 15%. Average atmospheric residence time is 140 to 190 years. Greenhouse effect causes warming of air, reduced escape of infrared radiation. Next one is ozone layer depletion. So it is a thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. This happens when the chlorine and bromine atoms in the atmosphere come in contact with ozone and destroy the ozone molecules. One chlorine can destroy 1 lakh molecule of ozone. It is destroyed more quickly than it is created. Some compounds release chlorine and bromine on exposure to high ultraviolet light, which then contributes to ozone layer depletion. Such compounds are known as ozone depleting substances or ODS. The ozone depleting substances that contain chlorine include chlorofluorocarbon, carbon tetrachloride, hydrofluorocarbons and methyl chloroform, whereas ozone depleting substances that contain bromine are halogens, methyl bromide and hydrobromofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons Chlorofluorocarbons, are the most abundant ozone depleting substance. It is only when the chlorine atom reacts with some other molecule, it does not react with ozone. Montreal Protocol was proposed in 1987 to stop the use, production and import of ozone depleting substances and minimize their concentration in the atmosphere to protect the ozone layer of the earth. Ozone present in the ozonosphere has a concentration of 10 ppm. It filters UVB radiations. Chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen oxides, chlorine, methyl chlorine and carbon tetrachloride react with ozone and change into oxygen. Due to the destruction of ozone, the large area of stratosphere comes to have very low ozone concentration. This area is called ozone hole. The ozone hole over Antarctica is 28 million square kilometers. In this diagram, you can see the first one, oxygen molecule are photolyzed yielding two oxygen atoms. So it's a very slow process. Ozone and oxygen atoms are continuously being interconverted as solar UV breaks ozone and the oxygen atom react with another oxygen molecule. So this is a very fast reaction. Ozone is lost by a reaction of the oxygen atom or the ozone molecule with each other or some other trace gas such as chlorine. This is also a slow process. The interconversion process converts UV radiation into thermal energy, heating the stratosphere. Here we can examine the effects of ozone depletion. Ozone depletion may cause skin cancer, blinding, immune system, effect on larval stages, terrestrial plants, aquatic ecosystem and global warming. See here the UV radiation will come, CFC is released, CFCs rise into ozone layer, UV releases chlorine from CFCs. Then chlorine destroy ozone. Depleted ozone means more UV lead to skin cancer. We can say that humans are a major source of environmental issues. Likewise, our activities are the major reason that the level of harmful gases and pollutants have increased in the environment. But now the humans have taken this problem seriously and now working to eradicate it. Above all, if all humans contribute equally to the environment, then this issue can be fight back. The natural balance can once again be restored. Dear students, thank you for watching. See you next class with another topic. Don't forget to leave a like and please subscribe my channel.